Welcome back to another video, guys, and today I'm making a ham omelette. This is the perfect way to make it. Obviously, like, cook it underneath first on the hob, and then obviously after I just put it under the grill to brown it off a little bit. So anyway, let me know what you think to those a week on Iceland food videos, and comment down below what you want me to do a week on next, or what you would want to see more next. I don't mind doing whatever you lot want to see. Give it a couple more minutes. Oh shit! It's turning to fucking toast. Never mind. It'll have to do for now. Look at that. Just give it a shake. Well, it's splitting off, never mind. That'll have to do. Let's try a little bit. That'll do. So anyway, I'm gonna plate it out and I'll leave it like that. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Don't forget to like and obviously comment and subscribe. Click that bell button for notifications on my channel. Anyway, peace out.